Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel. Best Investments with me, Sebastian. I am an accredited seller of the MJ Home. So today, nasamahan nyo at itutur ko kayo sa aming 2-bedroom unit dito po kay Satiri Residences. Okay po. Hello po, good evening po sa inyo lahat and welcome to my channel. Best Investments by me, Sebastian. I am an accredited seller of the MJ Home. Hello, what's up po kayo? So, it's been a while since my last video dito kay Satiri. So, ito right now, kasi previously, may nag-reopen na 2-bedroom units. Okay, so one of them are ito si 1120 ni Rahu. Pero I just checked na, unfortunately, naka-hold na siya. Pero who knows, diba? So, dun sa mga interested po na 2-bedroom units, so nandiyan yung numbers ko, may contact me anytime. Para in case na may mag-reopen, I can directly message you. So ito, ipapakita ko sa inyo, isa sa mga currently available pa siya, pero naka-hold lang. So ito, I'm on Rahu building. This is the third building dito kay Satiri Residences. So this one is a 2-bedroom na 55.50 square meters. So pakita ko sa inyo. So 1120. This is one of our standard unit size na unit cut. So pagpasok mo, nandito yung living mo. Dining, you can put your dining area here, you can put your living area here. So based on your preference po siguro. Pero yung iba kasi, nandito yung living area. Tapos dito nila nilalagay yung dining area. So a very spacious unit. And then dito naman yung ating kitchen area. Okay. So again, turnover finishes natin, kitchen cabinets are included. Granite countertop kasama po yan. And then, dito, yung ating toilet and bath. So, standard finish tayo dito pa rin. Fittings and fixtures are all included. And also, yung mga lababo natin. Shower enclosure na lang yung kulang natin dito. Okay? And then, also dito, ang kagandahan sa 2-bedroom unit natin, meron tayong provision dito para sa ating laundry area. So, dito, pwede mo ilagay yung ating washing machine. And then, pwede rin gawin pa as pantry. And then, we go to the bedroom 2. So, dito po, this is how we deliver pa rin. Na standard finish pa rin. Vinyl wooden planks, painted yung walls and ceiling natin. So, ito yung bedroom 2 natin. So, siguro this can fit a single bed. Yung bunk beds, pwede yan dito. And then, this is the bedroom 1. So, siya yung may access kay balcony. So, here at Satiri Residences, ang provision natin is, ng air condition natin is window type. Not unlike yung mga bagong projects natin na naka-split type na. Pero dito kay Satiri, window type pa rin po tayo. And then, dito sa balcony, sorry, hindi lang makalabas kasi hindi ko siya mabuksan. So, this unit is facing towards amenity area. And makikita nyo dito sa side na to si Maria Residences. Okay, so yan. So, I guess that's the end of the tour. So, for those who are interested on this project, nandiyan yung numbers ko naka-flash sa screen. You may contact me anytime. Through Viber, through WeChat, through Facebook Messenger, through WhatsApp. Pwede tayo mag-schedule ng online presentation via Zoom, pwede tayo mag-schedule ng site viewing. Pwede ko kayo dalhin dito sa napakagandang project natin sa Satiri Residences. Okay? So again, thank you. God bless po. Stay safe po. Bye-bye po.